Well, in many respects, this is a landmark judgment. It was pronounced by a 9-judge bench. It's coming after 9,000 days of waiting. This first case was filed way back in 1999. What is the issue at the heart of it all? Well, the core issue that was being argued here before the apex court is that can the state governments prescribe a cess by their own legislative competency? Can a state government pass a law saying that, or basis the mineral output, a certain percentage has to be paid in the form of cess or tax? The answer is yes. An affirmative answer coming in from the apex court, the Supreme Court saying that yes, indeed, the states do have the legislative competency to go ahead and to pass such laws which provide for paying of cess. This is a burden that will fall on the miners. In terms of the impact, there are 4 aspects to consider. Number 1, the impact on the miners themselves. There was a big question mark over payment of these cess, payment of these levies, of this tax to state governments. That has been answered. So that squarely falls on the shoulders of the miners. The Supreme Court has said that basis the mineral output, the state government can compute a cess that has to be paid by them. So a huge impact as far as miners are concerned. Speaking of the miners, who are the miners that were here before the apex court? The likes of Hindalco, Tata Steel, Ambuja Cement, ACC. All the big names were here contesting this state levy. That answer, they've met with a disappointing answer from the apex court. That burden will now fall on the miners. In terms of the impact also on the state governments, let's bear in mind that mineral bearing states, the likes of Odisha, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, MP, these are the larger states which bear these mines. These states are looking at thousands of crores of revenue coming in over the course of a mining lease. That's 2. Second, as far as the impact on the centre is concerned, this is a huge hit for the centre as well. The centre, bear in mind, has been arguing before the apex court that this power of taxation falls exclusively in the domain of the centre, that the states have no business levying this tax. They've been met with a disappointing answer as well. The centre's petition being disposed of by the apex court. So again, a big landmark judgment coming in from the apex court in terms of miners, pain coming in for them in the form of additional cess by way of state governments.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.